Welcome to the Purdue University Research Repository, or PURR. You can access PURR on the web at purr.purdue.edu. PURR is a web-based platform that researchers can use to share data and collaborate on research online. PURR can be used in four main ways. It can be used to create a data management plan for a grant proposal, to collaborate with other researchers, to publish data sets, and to archive your data sets in a secure, trustworthy digital repository. This video tutorial will demonstrate how to create a collaborative project space in PURR and how to utilize the functionality of that project space. The PURR service is available to Purdue's faculty, graduate students, staff, and their collaborators. To use PURR, first you'll log in at purr.purdue.edu using your Purdue career account and password. If you're a first-time user, you'll be required to confirm your Purdue career account details. Welcome to your user dashboard. Your user dashboard is your starting point for creating projects, dataset publications, and interacting with other researchers. So let's start a new project. First, you must provide some information about your project. This includes creating a meaningful title and building a short project URL using only lowercase letters and numbers. You also have the option to add descriptive information and to upload an image to differentiate this project from others you may create. Then select whether the project is private or public. Next, you can invite collaborators from Purdue or elsewhere by using their email address. Your invited collaborators will receive an email with a link for them to click and access your project. If you have a verifiable external grant, enter its proposal title, principal investigator, funding agency, and total award budget to ensure that you receive an increase in both your project and publication storage quotas. By registering a verifiable external research grant, your project space will be upgraded from 10 gigabytes to 100 gigabytes, and your publication allocation will go from 1 gigabyte to 10 gigabytes. Does your research include data that are considered to be sensitive or restricted? Please review this section carefully and note that PURR cannot be used for government-restricted, export-controlled, proprietary, or HIPAA-protected data. Finally, agree to PURR's privacy terms. Welcome to your new project. PURR was built using the HubZero platform for scientific collaboration, which includes a powerful set of tools for sharing data and facilitating online research and collaboration. For example, you can use this new project space to upload and share data files with version control and social network style communication and project management features. The project space provides tools to manage and track your project's progress. The to-do list allows you to manage project tasks. Using it, you're able to assign time-sensitive tasks to yourself and your collaborators. Notes allow you to centralize and streamline your project's documentation, making it available to all of your project's collaborators. By clicking on Updates, you're able to monitor a social media style listing of all of the changes that you and your team have made to your project space. You can edit your project's description and information at any time. As collaborators join or leave your project, you're able to add and remove them from your team and to assign them to new roles. You can also increase your project and publication allocation by associating a grant with your project. Access to the project space is limited to the members of the project. If you're ready to share your data with the world, you can publish data sets from within your private project space. Simply select the files that make up your data set, provide some information about the data set, and submit it for publication. Published data sets are presented with rich metadata, making it easy for people to find and understand your research. Purdue is one of only 3 data site agencies in the United States who can issue Digital Object Identifiers, or DOIs, for data sets. A DOI is a globally unique and resolvable identifier for your data set that makes it easy for people to cite your data and give you credit when they download and reuse it. PURR emails users a report every month to show how many times their data sets have been accessed. Many researchers find that publishing their data sets increases the number of citations to their published work and improves the impact of their research. Your published datasets will be securely and reliably preserved in PURR for a minimum of 10 years, after which time they'll be supported and managed as a part of the university's library collection. PURR was designed and is maintained with the current best practices and standards in digital preservation. We're currently preparing to be audited and certified as an ISO 16363 trustworthy digital repository. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you have successfully used PURR to create your own collaborative project space and to fully utilize the functionality of the PURR project space. In summary, PURR provides a platform for Purdue researchers and their collaborators to meet the data management plan requirements of grant funding agencies, collaborate on their research online, publish their datasets with DOIs, and archive their data in a secure, reliable repository. Since its launch, PURR has been included in the data management plans of over 700 grant proposals. If you have questions about PURR or research data management services, please visit the PURR website at purr.purdue.edu or contact us by email or telephone. PURR is a university research core facility that has been made possible by a collaboration of the Office of the Vice President for Research, Information Technology at Purdue, and the Purdue University Libraries.